Okay, we are ready for our final day of review in math and appreciate you working hard this week. Didn't have to work hard, you had to listen hard, didn't you, as we review? And so today we are looking at factors and multiples. Now, let's be honest. We didn't get to factors and multiples before you took the benchmark. So you probably could do these questions pretty easy now that we've gone over them, going over those topics in class. But we're going to review it today anyway. It's good to review. And so this is our last day of review. I know it's been super easy this week, but we've got to get back to our regular lessons next week. This was just something Hamlin County wanted to do to just have a review week. So it's been kind of easy. And so I hope you've enjoyed it and have been reminded of so many things that we've learned. Actually, we only have 2 full weeks before Christmas break now. So beginning next week. So we need to work hard for these next 2 weeks. Then we get Christmas break. So it's hard to believe. Time's just going by fast. Well, again, we're doing factors and multiples today. Find all factor pairs for whole numbers in the range 1 to 100. Factor pairs are like 2 and 6. 2 times 6 is 12. Recognize that a whole number is a multiple of each of its factor. Determine whether a given whole number is in the range of 1 to 100 is a multiple of a given one-digit number. And determine whether a given whole number in the range 1 to 100 is prime or composite. So we've got multiples, factors, and prime and composite numbers is what we're looking at today. So if you'd like to, you can go and listen to this little fun song on factors and multiples. But let's take a look at our questions from the benchmark. So the first one says, a math teacher writes a problem on the whiteboard as shown. Write 2 multiples of the number 7. One number needs to be composite. One number needs to be prime. Okay, composite means the number can only be 1 times that number for its factors. Okay, here's your choices. 7 and 28, 21 and 49. The problem, we're not going to worry about the bottom 2 because they're not right. Okay, so let's look at our choices. 7 and 28. Are they multiples of 7? 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 4 is 28. Is one of them prime? Yes. 1 times 7 is 7. Is one of them composite? Yes. 1 times 28 is 28. 4 times 7 is 28. 2 times 14 is 28. So that's the answer right there, the first one. 21 and 49 are both multiples of 7, but they're also both composite. They're not. One of them is not prime, so that would not be the answer. So the answer is 7 and 28. Next question, which one of these is a prime number? Okay, 19, 21, 33, and 49. The answer is 19. The only thing that you can multiply together to get 19 is 1 times 19. Let's think about the factors of the rest of these. 21, you can do 1 times 21, but you can do 3 times 7 to get 21, so it's composite. 33, you can do 1 times 33, but you can also do 3 times 11, so it's composite. 49, 1 times 49 and 7 times 7 gets you 49. It's composite. The prime number is 19. Which set shows only multiples of 3? Remember, multiples are like 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, or skip count, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Okay, so 13. Is 13 a multiple of 3? No. 12 is a multiple of 3, but 13 is not, so that one's not right. 15 is. 3 times 5 is 15, so let's count by threes. 15, 18, then we would have 21, 24, 27. 26 is not a multiple of 3. These first 2, mark them off. Okay, start with 15. 15, 5 times 3 is 15, count by threes. 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. 3 times 10 is 30. 33, 36, 39. Yep, this is it right here. 5 times 3 is 15. 7 times 3 is 21. 10 times 3 is 30. 13 times 3 is 39. So this would be the answer. Now, 18 is a factor of 3, but 23 is not. 8 times 3 is 24, but not 23. So it's not this one. It's this one right here that are all multiples of 3. And the last one, what 2? Make sure you always choose 2 answers. If it asks for 2, are factor pairs of 12. So numbers you can multiply together to get 12. Is 1 times 2 12? 3 times 4 12? Yes, there's one answer. 6 times 6 12? No. 10 times 2 12? No. 12 times 1 12? Ding, ding, ding. That's it. So your answers were 3 and 4 and 12 and 1 of these factor pairs. Okay? Now, watch this video, and then it's after this slide right here, and then you can play a game, Snow Patrol. It reviews factors and multiples and prime and composite numbers. So enjoy that game today. Have a great weekend. We'll see you next week. Be ready to work a little bit harder next week.